Hi friends, we just read the story about how the little boy said he ain't gonna paint no more, which really I'm not gonna paint anymore, but that really wasn't true. He did keep painting. So let's answer a few questions about our story. The first question is, who is the main character in the story? So we can say our main character is, and it's the little boy. Main character is the little boy. Yeah, the story was about the boy. It wasn't about the dog. The dog was in the story, but the dog wasn't painting. And it really wasn't about Mama. Mama was in the story, but the main character, the one the story was about, was the little boy. So the next question is, what is the setting? Where does the story take place? All right, so the star is what we use to show setting. So the setting is, it wasn't in a restaurant. He didn't paint a restaurant. Yeah, it was in a house. It wasn't in a fire station. No. So we're using our big sentences and reading from left to right. We say the setting is the house. All right, now, what was the little boy doing? Was he eating? Bathing? He did take a bath, but mostly he was, that's right, he was painting. So the little boy was painting. Nice. If you read that sentence with me, kiss your brain. All right, now where was the little boy painting? Did he mostly paint his body? Let's see, he painted his head and his arm and his leg. Yeah, that's his body. He didn't paint a car, and he didn't paint his mama. No. So we can say the boy painted his body, but that's not quite the way, that's not the right color. I'll have to figure that out. All right. Did the boy paint the wall? At the beginning of the story, he did. And he heard his mama holler like he never had before. You ain't gonna paint no more, right? That's why mama hollered. That means she yelled. Did the boy paint a school bus? No, there was no school bus in our story. Goodness, no. All right, now, what did the boy paint black? What rhymes with black? All right, black was painted on his back. Yeah, nice. All right, now who took a bath with the boy? Oh, you're right, the dog was in the bathtub. So the dog bathed with the boy. Fantastic. All right, now why did the boy take a bath? Did he take a bath because he was sleepy? Goodness, no. Did he take a bath because he was covered in paint? Oh, yes. Did he take a bath because he was covered in mud? No, he didn't play in the mud. Boy was covered in paint. Oh. And how did Mama feel about that? Oh, she was not happy, was she? All right, what rhymes with red? Let's see. Is it his leg? Red leg? No. Red head? Yes, those sound the same. They end the same. Red rabbit? Goodness, no. All right, what rhymes with stand? Is it stand shoe? No. Stand head? No. Stand hand? Yes, those rhyme. They have the same ending sounds. All right, now here we go. How do you think the mama felt when she saw the paint? Does she feel happy? No. What about tired? Maybe a little bit, but I bet Mama, since she hollered like she'd never done before, I bet Mama felt mad. Mama might have felt angry. That's right. I bet she was in the red zone. She might need to use her strategies. Ooh, deep breaths. All right, now what body part would you want to paint? I'm going to tell you, I would like to paint my back because I think that feels good. It's like scratching your back. But I don't actually have any paint on my brush. So feels kind of good, tickles the arm too. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.